Guys, welcome to the channel. So we're back again with the weekly analysis again. So let's start off with looking at Nasdaq 100. So as you know guys, this is the analysis that I've been doing since last year. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by removing some of the things here because I don't think I need them. This is some of the things I was doing during the week when I was looking for trades. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove those things. Okay, so that's what we have at the moment. So I'm already seeing some sort of a fair value gap here. So okay, with this fair value gap being filled, so what do I think about Nasdaq? So for Nasdaq, I'm thinking we might see some sort of a reversal because it kind of filled this fair value gap on a daily time frame. So we might see some sort of reversal and then finally gaining momentum to this order block. So we have another order block here. Okay, so we have another order block here. So we have two options here. It's either we gonna be looking to buy up until this order block here, or we're going to sell, anticipating the market dropping into this order block before it can tap into this other block and then finally go up. So but either way, this is kind of looking like the momentum at the moment is to the upside. As you guys already know that I'm a day trader, so it doesn't really matter where the trend is. So I'm always gonna be looking for opportunities to trade since I'm a day trader. So and at the moment I see this fair value gap being filled. So I'm thinking of selling, anticipating the market dropping up until this order block here on a daily. But if it doesn't play out like I think it will, so I'll be looking for other opportunities. So I can have this order block here, which now act as a breaker block. So if the market wants to continue to go up, then I'll be looking at this order block here. I mean this breaker block here. So let's switch to 4-hour time frame to see what's going on in the 4-hour time. Let me just change this thing, these colors here. Where do I go? Okay, can change the wrong one here. Okay, so let me just change to yellow. Even this one, I make it yellow. So yeah, this is what I mean. And also, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have another order block here. So yeah, we have a lot of confirmation that the market might sell. So if it does sell, I'll be looking at this area here for those guys who are swing trading. For your buy continuation, you might target this order block here because at the moment the momentum is on the upside. So yeah, that's it for Nasdaq. Let's move to USDT. USDT, it's kind of ranging at the moment. It's kind of ranging. Okay, let me start this range here. Yep. So yeah, we are pretty much inside of a range on a daily. So I'm anticipating the market going down, because to go, not to say that it's not gonna go up. To go to the upside, it doesn't really make sense, because since we have this area here, and this to me looks like a protected area. So the only possible trade I can think of is selling the USDT up until this low here. So yeah, let me just remove this range here. Let me highlight to you guys. Okay, we had this order block here, which kind of seems like it's bouncing inside of it. And mind you guys, this is a daily time frame. So if you see this kind of setup on a daily time frame, this kind of like the strong signals. So at the moment it looks like it's going to reverse. So if it does reverse and go to the upside, we are looking for this fair value gap here. So yeah, if we will be buying, then we will be looking for this. Let me take this calculator here. It's how much? About 450 index points. So if we are buying, okay, let's switch to the 4 hour and see if we can get some sort of a entry. Yeah, on the 4 hours, I'm thinking maybe we can just look for the market to come down a little bit more up until here, test this other block here, and then we buy. Yeah, and then we're gonna look for a buy, maybe up until there. So this is the situation on USDT, but like I showed you guys, on a daily time frame, yeah, we are pretty much inside of a range. So this might be some sort of a pullback, and then we finally sell to this low, and then we finally look at how it reacts here, whether it breaks or gives us a reversal. So yeah guys, since we are a day trading, we are not really concerned with the long term. Like, we just really want trades that we can get in and out of like very quickly. So yeah, those are the areas for you on USDT, guys. Let's move on to gold. Oh, what did gold do? Gold seems like it defied everything. So okay, this other block here, I think I don't need it anymore. So we have what? We have this high over here. Okay. Okay, on gold, wait, this is daily time frame. So gold looks like it made some sort of a break. Yeah, I think even this order block, I don't need it anymore. Yeah, this one, I don't need it anymore. Let me change this color to white. Where's the color? White. Yeah, maybe make it 1 pixel. So on gold, I'm thinking of buying, because this show looks like a break. So I also see an order block right about there. So let's switch to daily to 4 hour time frame. Okay, and the 4 hour time frame, we can wait for gold to drop up and into this order block, then we look for our buys. And yeah, daily time frame, it's pretty clear where gold is wants to go. It's bullish, so we can just wait for it to drop inside of this order block, then we execute our trades. So yeah, gold is nothing complicated. AUD USD, what's going on here? Too many things here. Okay, first of all I see this high over here. Well, by seeing this high over there, I can say that for AUD USD we will be looking for sell. Yep. So yeah, AUD USD, we are red, guys. Red. We are looking for sell because that liquidity right there got swept. That's a stop hand, guys. So yeah, for my swing traders, this is a perfect time for you to capitalize on AUD USD. So yeah, AUD, I don't need to analyze anything further. All you need to know is that look for selling opportunity pretty much the whole week. So yeah, this one it doesn't matter if I make any analysis even further, because this was from when it was last year August. So yeah, it's pretty much holding. So yeah, we're looking for sell on AUD USD. Euro USD, what do we have on Euro USD? What do we have here? This one looks like it broke. Just gonna remove some of the areas here since I don't need them. Even this order block must go. So this one, I don't know. This one I would advise for you guys to be looking at this, how it plays. If it breaks this zone here, then yeah, you might consider buying it up until I would say maybe up until that high. Yeah, Euro USD. So it looks like it broke. Yeah, it looks like this is a breakout, but it might be collecting momentum and then accumulating false breakout, then finally sell. So this one I don't really trade, but this is pretty much what's happening on a daily time frame. Okay, let's look at NZD USD. NZD USD, and let me just delete some of the zones. NZD USD pretty much the same as AUD USD. Look for sales, because what did we have here? We had liquidity there, got swept, sold. People put the stop loss above that, got swept for the second time, and then it failed to break this high here. So yeah, NZD USD this coming week, guys, let's look for short unless it breaks here and wants to continue going up. So yeah, this is pretty much it for NZD USD. It's more similar to AUD USD. So these guys they move in correlation. I don't know if you guys noticed it, like by then this pairs they just move in correlation most of the time. So you can see here, it's pretty much similar. What is it? AUD USD, NZD USD. So let's move to AUD JPY. AUD JPY. Okay, let me remove this one here. Okay, AUD JPY. I'm thinking of selling it because we had this order block here, which it kind of respected and it played around it for quite some time. So yeah, you can just rewind to the previous video I made of the weekly analysis, guys. You will see this order block and why I mentioned about this area here. So for AUD JPY, I would say I'm also looking for a sell. Maybe tap into this zone here and then look for my source. And Let's see, we have another order block. This one is going to be tricky. It's going to be tricky because it seems like I went inside of the other block and then it sold. So, and where it is right now, it's pretty much in a no man's land. So for this, I would advise waiting. AUDJPY, I would advise waiting. So I cannot give the direction and say, yeah, I'm looking for sales for the whole week or so. But pretty much overall, to me, this looks like a ranging market. So that's why I'm saying we might be targeting this low here. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. On AUDJPY. And the last one is New Zealand Japanese. Yeah, New Zealand Japanese yen. It's pretty much the same story here. We are ranging, and it seems like this order block here, it's kind of holding. So for this one, I don't know. Yeah, for this one, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know what's happening here. It seems like it's ranging. It might go up to this high over here, then reverse, or it might come down straight away, test this order block here. So NZDJPY, this one, I think for you guys who are trading this, you'll just have to wait and see. As for me, the pairs that I trade is Nasdaq and USDT, and everything that I showed in the analysis is just from the guys who are watching my channel and then just requesting for maybe currency pay. They say, yeah, okay, if when you're doing this, then can you please include this pay. So yeah guys, if you also have a currency pair in mind or any instrument you want me to have a go at it and then give my 2 cents opinion, then just leave it down in the comment section. And yeah guys, that's it from me. Yeah, let's print some money in this coming week. Yeah, see you guys.